guys, today we are going to go to 3 Disney parks. We're going to start at Hollywood Studios, then we're going to go to Animal Kingdom, and then we're going to end our final day at Disney at Magic Kingdom. So hopefully our feet can keep up, but we'll take you along with us. And we're going to take the Skyliner to Hollywood Studios because our room is right over there. And we are here. That was quick. It only was about a 4-minute ride. And our first ride today, Tower of Terror. It's only 20 minutes.
A dimension of sound, a dimension of sight, a dimension of mind. You're moving into a land of both shadow.
Ride number 2 with the Disney Genie, Rock and Roller Coaster. And it's posted at a 55-minute wait. Good thing we have a Disney Genie.
Wow, all right. Two people. Right. Hey, don't mind us. We'll be finished in just a minute.
Hey.
What?
All right, ride number 3, Toy Story Mania. I wonder who's going to win. Let's see the winners. 160 to 115. Our next ride, Alien Swirling Saucer. Woo! So bumpy. All right, we're eating lunch here at Ronto's Roasters. I got the Ronto wrap and Julia got the zucchini wrap. They ran out of trays, so they just gave it to us like this. Next up, Muppet Vision 3D.
Hey, look! Look at the guy in the Goofy mask! That's not a mask. Ooh. Sorry, lady!
Hi-ho, Kermit Frog here, and welcome to Muppet Vision 3D! No.
Next up, Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway.
You like that ride, Ainsley?
What could possibly go wrong?
Don't be shy. That's right. Everyone to your positions. Ready and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent! You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Nothing can stop us now. I'm so
Bye, Hollywood Studios. And we've made it to Animal Kingdom Part 2 today. First ride at Animal Kingdom and Jaro Safari.
Mandrill. The mandrill are the largest monkeys, and they have red and blue face markings that get brighter as they get more excited. And there's actually 2 African elephants on your right. Seconds, but they can only maintain that speed for a few hundred yards. Also, both of the females are between the trees. Lions spend most of their day laying around sleeping, resting.
All right, now time for dinosaur. Let's go get that dino.
If I can bring you back from the Cretaceous period, it stands to reason that I can bring back a live dinosaur with you.
Gotta get in, grab the iguanodon, and get out before that asteroid hits. Let's roll! Brace yourself! They're not gonna make it! They're not gonna make it!
All right, so we're eating a early dinner at the Avatar Cantina. And we both got the same thing, the chicken bowl with noodles. All right, next ride, Flight of Passage. And we got the lightning lane.
Enduring microparasites. All right, everyone, stay on your number and move your arms a bit. Okay, start scan.
Last ride at Animal Kingdom, Navi River Journey. And now we've made it to our 3rd park today, Magic Kingdom. First ride here at Magic Kingdom, Splash Mountain.
It's time to be moving along.
Next ride up, Pirates of the Caribbean.
Where are we, Captain Jack Sparrow? Speak up! Order your guns.
And we got the I Lava You Dole Whip float, orange Dole Whip with Fanta and popping candies. Maybe you can hear it if you listen closely. And we also got a snack. We got some egg rolls, one of each, which is a cheeseburger one, and then like the 50th one is like a pastrami
Pepper jack.
And I'm the winner again. At least Julia got a lot more than she usually does, but I still won. Our next ride tonight is the People Mover. Hopefully we can see the fireworks.
For 2, green, and red line.
We just missed the fireworks.
Your express train keeps on rolling through the future. Right by two of my favorite spots.
I win again. I have to go again for a third time. Alright, I got 9:15. Julia got 5:14. And probably our last ride of the night. Last ride at Disney.